Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular air fryers, the Philips Digital Air Fryer and the AGARO Regency Air Fryer. Both of these appliances have been making waves in the market with their advanced features, but they cater to slightly different needs. We'll go feature by feature to help you understand their strengths and unique offerings, covering everything from capacity and power consumption to special features and price. Whether you're cooking for a small family or hosting a feast, we'll guide you in choosing the one that best suits your lifestyle. Our aim is to provide a balanced and unbiased comparison so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Capacity. Philips offers 4.1 liters and AGARO 12 liters. Philips is compact and suited for smaller servings, while AGARO offers significantly more capacity for larger households. Power consumption. Philips 1400 watts and AGARO 1800 watts. Philips consumes less power, making it energy efficient, whereas AGARO provides higher wattage for quicker and bulkier cooking. Temperature range. Philips adjustable, specific range not mentioned, whereas AGARO 80 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius. AGARO has a clearly defined and wider temperature range, offering more flexibility in cooking styles. Preset menus. Philips has 7 preset menus, including fries, chicken, and reheating, whereas AGARO has 9 preset recipes, 3 assist functions, and 4 control settings. Philips provides essential presets, while AGARO offers more versatility with additional preset recipes and assist functions. Material and build. Philips has plastic body and a lightweight design, whereas AGARO has stainless steel body, durable and robust. Philips is lightweight and easier to handle, whereas AGARO has a more premium, durable build. Cooking technology. Philips has a rapid air technology with a starfish design for even cooking, whereas AGARO has a 360 degrees heat circulation for thorough and consistent cooking. Both use advanced cooking technologies, with AGARO offering a larger capacity for the same features. Display and controls. Philips has touch panel with a sleek, simple interface, whereas AGARO has LED screen with a transparent cooking window and touch controls. Both have user-friendly displays, but AGARO adds a viewing window for better monitoring. Accessories included. Philips includes basic basket setup, compatible with dishwasher cleaning, whereas AGARO includes rotisserie tools, skewer racks, mesh racks, gloves, and a drip tray. Philips is straightforward with basic accessories, while AGARO includes a range of tools for diverse cooking. Special features. Philips has auto shut-off, dishwasher safe parts, and Nutriu app with recipe suggestions, whereas AGARO has overheating protection, automatic shutoff, circuit overload protection. Both focus on safety and convenience, with AGARO adding more safety layers and Philips providing app-based recipe support. Cooking functions. Philips has fry, bake, grill, roast, and reheat, and AGARO has fry, bake, roast, toast, defrost, and rotisserie. AGARO offers more cooking functions, particularly rotisserie and toasting. Warranty. Both provide a similar 2 years on the product warranty period. Price. Both are similarly priced, offering value based on individual needs and preferences. Final conclusion. Philips Air Fryer is recommended for users seeking a compact, energy-efficient air fryer with basic functionalities and app-based recipe support, whereas AGARO Air Fryer is suitable for those needing a larger capacity, versatile cooking options, and durable build quality. The product link is in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it directly from Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Tech Compare for more amazing gadget reviews and comparisons.